Hello friends, I'm glad to see you on the Home Tips channel. In this video I'd like to show you what happens when you add baking soda to dish soap. This is an economical and eco-friendly solution and it's very effective, so be sure to give it a try. For today's recipe we need baking soda. I'm sure you can find it in your kitchen. If you are buying dishwashing liquid and it is thick and cleans dishes well, that's great. But if you have bought a dishwashing liquid for the first time and it is liquid, doesn't clean dirt well and doesn't foam well, then you can boost it with baking soda. Now I'll show you how. You can also use this method to save money. Buy 1 bottle of dishwashing liquid, divide it into 2 and add baking soda to each. This way you will get 2 bottles of detergent without any loss in quality. Take a cup, pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda into it, then pour boiling water over it. Now stir this solution thoroughly until the baking soda dissolves completely. Once the baking soda has dissolved, leave the solution to cool. If your bottle of dishwashing liquid is full, take an empty bottle and pour half of it into it. I have about half the detergent left in this bottle. I am putting it away. You can do the same with it, or you can add vinegar to the bottle. The result is a completely different product. I will leave a link to a detailed video with a detailed explanation in the tooltip at the top right and in the description. You can watch it. Once the baking soda solution has cooled completely, stir it. And add it to dishwashing detergent. If you still have a lot of space to the top, then add water. I close the bottle with the dispenser and gently stir the product. Don't shake it vigorously, just turn the bottle upside down a few times. Now I will show you with examples where this cleaning product can be used. Grease and carbon deposits on a glass baking dish that don't come off with dish soap alone can be easily removed. Wet the dish with water. Apply a small amount of dish soap to a damp sponge and thoroughly lather the entire dish. Leave it for 5 minutes and then start cleaning. This only applies to stubborn stains. This product is also suitable for regular dishwashing. You can easily remove tea and coffee stains and greasy dishes with it, so you can safely use it every day for washing dishes. Well, look, all this stickiness and carbon deposits are washed off in just a few seconds. Everything was washed very quickly, right up to perfect cleanliness and squeaking sound. You can also clean sticky kitchen fronts and greasy stains on kitchen cabinets. I add a little of the product to a damp sponge and distribute it along the bottom of the kitchen cabinet. After 5 minutes, use a soft sponge to remove any grease from the surface. Then wipe the cabinet with a damp cloth several times and wipe it dry. This way you can clean your kitchen hood, the top of your kitchen cabinets and the sticky tiles above your stove. To clean sticky kitchen cabinet handles without scratching or damaging them, you can also use this homemade product. Use a soft sponge to spread the product. Let it work, soften the grease and dirt, and then begin cleaning the handles. The grout in the kitchen is usually stained with grease, especially in the area of the stove, or it could be from spilled tea or, for example, jam dripped from a spoon onto the floor. To clean the grout, first wipe the floor with a damp cloth. Then apply a small amount of the product to the grout. And spread it with a brush. After 5 minutes, start scrubbing, and the grout will begin to lighten right before your eyes. I used a brush with a short handle, but if you use a brush with a long handle, you won't even have to bend over, and you will get it all cleaned up in no time. Next, grab a mop and wipe the floor. And you can rejoice that the grout looks perfect again. Spills and greasy splatters on the stovetop are common while cooking, especially if you are frying. If you have time, take the product and wipe down the stove immediately after you finish cooking. If you don't have time, don't worry. It will also work on stubborn brown stains and dried on greasy droplets. Just remember to apply it and let it sit. Here is how baking soda can improve your dish soap, so definitely try adding it to your dishwashing detergent. Greasy pans and pots, smelly plastic containers and cutting boards, and overall kitchen cleaning will no longer be a problem if you have this product on hand. It's economical, eco-friendly, and I am sure you will love it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, see you in more videos.